This is the next problem. Solve dy by dx plus y into cos x plus sin y plus y whole by sin x plus x cos y plus x is equal to 0. Here actually given differential equation is not in the standard form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. So first of all we should reduce the given equation into the standard form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Okay, for that purpose just rearrange the terms. You should multiply the dy with this term and dx with this term. So given differential equation can be written as y into, first write this term, y into cos x plus sin y plus y into dx, okay, plus sin x plus x cos y plus x into dy is equal to 0. Take it equation number 1. Now equation number 1 is in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Okay, so immediately you should write what is m and what is n. What is m here? Coefficient of dx, which is y into cos x plus sin y plus y. Okay, so after that you should write what is m. First calculate dou m by dou y. What is dou m by dou y? In this case except y remaining are all constants, particularly x terms are constants. So you should write the partial derivative for y only because cos x in product, which is 1 into cos x plus derivative of sin y with respect to y is cos y and derivative of y with respect to y is 1. Okay, now you should write n value. What is n value? Coefficient of dy in the given problem, which is sin x plus x cos y plus x. Now calculate dou n by dou x. Okay, in this case only x is the variable, y is constant. So derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x, and just write the derivative of x with respect to x only because cos y is in terms of y but it is in the product. So don't do anything for this one. So 1 into cos y plus 1. Clearly we are observing that these both are same. So dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, so knowledge of partial differentiation in the concept of exact equations is very important. Given equation 1 is exact. So whenever we are getting given differential equation is exact, immediately we can write the general solution C. Therefore the required general solution of 1 is, what is the formula for general solution of an exact equation? Integral m dx. Y should be constant plus integral terms of n not containing x, terms of n not containing x whole into dy is equal to c. Okay, don't forget this formula. Replace the values. Integration of m. Please write each and every term in m. What is m? Y into cos x plus sin y plus y. Y into cos x plus sin y plus y whole into dx plus, don't write all terms of n. Look at the terms of n. Sin x plus x cos y plus x. Each and every term contains x. So don't take any term from n. Simply you can write 0 is equal to c. Here y is constant. Don't forget it. So y is a constant right outside of the integration, and remaining part is integral cos x dx, which is sin x, plus sin y is also constant. Don't write cos y. Okay, it is integration of sin y. Okay, here sin y is constant. So right outside of the integration. So remaining part is only 1. Integral 1 dx is x. So x into sin y plus xy. Here also y is constant. Integral constant dx. Integral, what is integral constant dx? Simply kx. Here we have y instead of k. That's why I am writing yx, otherwise xy. Okay, is equal to c. This is the required general solution of given differential equation. In the next video, I will give some more examples on exact equations. Thank you very much.